Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Wix to Google Analytics. First, log into your Wix account and find the Marketing Integrations section. This is where you will manage all your external tools. Next, locate the Google Analytics option and click the Connect button. You will need your Google Analytics Measurement ID, which typically begins with G, so have that ready for the next step. This ensures your data flows correctly. To find your Google Analytics Measurement ID, log into your Google Analytics account. Once logged in, select the specific property you wish to connect. Navigate to the Admin section, then click on Data Streams and choose your web stream. Your unique measurement ID, starting with G, will be prominently displayed there. Copy this ID carefully, as it is crucial for the connection. Now, head back to your Wix dashboard, where you left off in the Marketing Integrations section. Paste the Google Analytics Measurement ID you just copied into the designated field. Double-check to ensure there are no accidental spaces or extra characters before or after the ID. Finally, click the Save or Apply button to complete the integration within your Wix site. After connecting, make sure to publish your Wix site to apply the changes. To verify the connection, go to your Google Analytics account and navigate to the real-time reports. Open your website in a new browser tab, and you should see at least one active user in the real-time report within a few minutes. This confirms that data is successfully flowing from Wix to Google Analytics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.